Hey there friends, Amar here, and if you ever tried to build an email list from scratch and got stuck, overwhelmed, or just straight up confused, you are not alone. Today I'm reviewing something super cool that can make your life easier 10 times. It's called the SmartList Formula PLR, and it's not just another checklist. This is a full shortcut you can use, sell, or give away. Even if you are brand new to email marketing or want to launch your first product or lead magnet, this will save you hours of work and you can use it your way. So what is the SmartList Formula? It's a 7-day email profit checklist, action-based, meaning it tells you what to do, not just theory. And the best part, it comes with PLR rights, meaning you can rebrand it, sell it, give it as a bonus, give it away, use it for coaching courses, really flexible stuff. So who should use this? New marketers, course creators, PLR sellers, coaches, even affiliate marketers who are building lists. So let me show you exactly what you get. So first of all, you get the checklist. The checklist here is in a Word document that you can edit, you can rebrand and turn to PDF. There is also the main report. This is an awesome report actually that you can also rebrand and turn to PDF and give it away for free. You have also the PDF versions of these two documents here, and you have a set of banners. Look, this is the 125 by 125. This is a banner for Leads Leap, and these are 3 other banners. You have also 3D graphics, as you can see here, and flat graphics as well, and you have the PLR license right here. These are all the stuff that you will be getting, but that's not all. Here is also the 7 days follow-up email series that you can import and rebrand instantly to your Leads Leap account. So you see there is a huge value in this package, and the best thing is that you can use it your way. You can keep it as it is and start promoting it. You will be making 100% commission on the front end and 50% commission on the rest of the funnel. But you can, if you want to tweak it and use it in another way, you can do that. You get also this amazing lead capture page that you can import in a second and customize, attach it to your list, and it will build your list for you. You get also the delivery page or the thank you page where you deliver the main report. As you can see, just click and you have the PDF. There are no links in the PDF, and you can also actually have your subscribers duplicate this funnel for 100% commission to you. So you stick your affiliate link on this button, you click it, and you have the sales page for the front end, as you can see. And every time someone buys from your link, you get this amount here, 100% for you. And of course, there is also the upgrades. If they decide to upgrade, for example, here to get the 3-in-1, 3 packages for one price, you will get also 50% commission. The second OTO is the installation that I do myself. So if someone of your subscribers purchase the installation, you will make 50% commission of this amount here. And of course, there is the partner with me or reseller option, and every time someone of your subscribers purchase this offer here, you get 50% commission on this amount here. And of course, if you buy this one here, this amount here, this one-time offer, you will be making 100% commission on the whole funnel. For just one sale, you can make $134 just for one sale. If your customer buys all the funnel, you'll be making this amount of money. So to wrap up, this SmartList Formula PLR is simple, strategic, and powerful. If you want to skip the guesswork and actually take action, this is one of the few PLRs that are both high quality and actually they are useful. So thank you very much for watching the video, and go ahead, click the link below this video, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you on my next video.